orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Independence Day. Today was Independence Day and Gattu Chinky were very excited because today school was taking them to the museum.
Chinky, are you ready? The school bus is about to come to pick up us. Yes, I'm ready, Gattu.
Just then the school bus also comes outside. Gattu Chinky get on the school bus. All the other children were already seated there. Then the class teacher Sheetal ma'am stands up and tells all the children.
Children, today we are not just going to any ordinary museum, but a very special one.
Special museum?
Ma'am, what is so special in it? Children, this is such a museum where we all will learn about the real independence struggle of our country.
All the children get surprised on hearing this.
And after seeing the museum, there will be a small quiz competition too. And after that, we will also hoist the flag over there.
After telling all this, ma'am sits on the seat. And all the children start talking among themselves.
Then it will be a lot of fun in that museum. I am very excited.
Absolutely right, Goody. Just imagine if we really time travel and reach 1947, then our freedom fighters will save us. What else?
Yes, Gattu is right. And I'm also going to help them to achieve the freedom of India.
Chinky, tell me one thing. How will you fight?
I have not thought about it yet.
Just then the bus stops and the children reach the Freedom Museum. Ma'am asks everyone to get down one by one.
No one will go far away from the line. Everyone stay together. We will go inside.
Just then Subhash uncle, the caretaker of the museum, arrives there. Hello children, come on, let's go inside without any delay. First of all, we will go to the hall with statues. Subhash sir takes everyone with him to a big hall, where there were a lot of big statues. They were looking as if they were real. All the children start looking at the statues from close.
Wow, this is the statue of father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi.
It looks so real, isn't it, Gattu?
Yes, absolutely real.
Look, it is written here, Father of the Nation, who led India to freedom with his philosophy of non-violence. What does this mean?
Children, it means that Gandhiji taught us the path of non-violence. And with the help of this philosophy, he gave freedom to India. He believed that Hinsa, which means violence, is wrong. Seeing the second statue, Hari says,
This is the statue of Bhagat Singh, isn't it, sir?
You are absolutely right. This is our Bhagat Singh. He also fought for the freedom of India and also inspired a lot of other people. Everyone moves forward. Children, this is the Hall of Paintings. There are paintings of some very famous painters here. And this is very interesting. Below every painting, something is written about it. You all can see them, but do not touch them.
Okay.
Gattu Chinky and friends see a painting in which Salt March was shown.
Look at this. This is Gandhiji's painting, doing Salt March.
It is written here that in this painting, Gandhiji goes to protest against British salt tax. And he makes salt himself from the salty water of the sea over there. This is a painting of Gandhiji and his followers. Wow, Gandhiji was so cool, right friends?
Hey Goody, not cool.
In fact, Gandhiji was very strong. He started his salt march alone, and then so many people joined him.
Friends, come here. See this painting. It is so beautiful.
Who is this? It is written here, this is a freedom fighter, Rani Lakshmibai. Yes, Rani Lakshmibai herself fought to liberate Jhansi from the British. And this is a painting of her fighting with them. Look, in this painting, Rani Lakshmibai's little child is also with her. And she is also holding a sword. Wow, Rani Lakshmibai was so strong. I also want to become like her. Come on friends, let's see more paintings.
Gattu Chinky see a lot of other paintings with their friends, like the painting of Indian National Army, in which Subhash Chandra Bose was shown leading his army. After seeing all the paintings like this,
look at this friends, it is written dress up corner there. Let's see what will be there.
the children go there and start looking. There was a ma'am standing there who tells them,
Kids, this is a dress up corner. Here you can dress up as your favorite freedom fighter and then you can get your photos clicked. Wow, this is very interesting. Gattu Chinky, why don't you both try it? Chinky, you should try the Rani Lakshmibai costume. Yes, I also want to try that. Ma'am, can I try that? Yes, come with me Chinky. I will get you ready right now.
Ma'am takes Chinky with her and gets her ready in the exact Rani Lakshmibai get-up. Then Chinky raises her sword and says,
I have come to save my Jhansi. Run away, Britishers! Chinky, no, Rani Lakshmibai ji. Say cheese. Cheese!
Gattu takes Chinky's photo from his camera. Then Subhash uncle takes the children to another hall where a lot of chairs were kept and a small stage was also there. Kids, now you all sit on your chairs. First there will be a small quiz competition and then whoever wins, he is going to hoist this flag with us.
Wow, we can get a chance to hoist the flag. It will be a matter of great pride.
All the children go and sit on their seats. First question. Who designed the Indian national flag? All the children become quiet and start thinking. Then Gattu raised his hand.
Sir,
Yes, tell me Gattu.
Pingali Venkya. He had designed the national flag. Papa had told me about it.
Very good Gattu. Right answer. Second question is, who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? Hearing this, Bunty quickly raised his hand first.
Sir, Jawaharlal Nehru.
Very good. So now the third and the last question is, which movement did Gandhiji start to bring an end to the British rule? Gattu raises his hand and says,
Quit India movement.
Very good Gattu. Correct answer. And today's winner is Gattu. Gattu quickly goes on the stage and helps in flag hoisting. Then the national anthem is played and all the children stand up. Finally, it is time to go back home.
Ma'am was right. It felt exactly as if we have time travelled and reached 1947. Yes, Gattu, everything was real and interesting. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.